Hey everyone. So today I want to talk about something that is very important for anyone who is traveling to the US for business or for leisure. The consequences of misusing your visa. Now, recently, there has been a story circulating online about a Nigerian entrepreneur who's been trending after she was detained at a US port of entry for 24 hours and ultimately denied entry into the US. So, according to what I'm seeing online, she held a B1, B2 visa, which is a visa intended for leisure or visiting and like meeting business meetings. But according to her social media activity, it revealed that she was entering the US to conduct actual business, which is not allowed under that particular business category. So, this situation highlights an issue that many entrepreneurs and travelers overlook. Using your visa for something other than its intended purpose can lead to some serious consequences, and this is why I wanted to talk about this on here. Now, this entrepreneur who had a thriving business with a large U.S. customer base was hoping to attend conferences and meet clients, but unfortunately, her plans got derailed when the U.S. Customs and Border Protection Officer (CBP) reviewed her social media and determined that she was violating the terms of her visa. So, what can we learn from this situation? Number one, you need to know the purpose of your visa. Every visa has a specific purpose, and using it outside of that purpose can lead to a denial of entry, deportation, or you being banned from future travel to the US. So, the B1, B2 visa, for example, is not for engaging in actual active business operations or receiving payment. If you're planning to run a business in the US, you need to have the appropriate visa for that, right? Such as a work visa or a specific business visa. Number two, you want to be transparent. Whether you're applying for a visa or you're even interacting with immigration officials, honesty is always going to be key. Trying to bend the rules can always backfire on you, as we can see in this case. If you're not clear about your intentions, authorities are likely to find out, and this could lead again to a denial of entry and other legal consequences. So you always want to be transparent. Number three, you want to be mindful. Social media scrutiny is a big thing. These days, everything that you post online can be scrutinized by immigration authorities. We're seeing that happening right now, right? So in this particular case, the entrepreneur social media activity revealed that she was planning to conduct business during her trip. So you want to be cautious of what you share publicly, especially if you're traveling on a visa that has limitations. Now, I'm not saying that you should misrepresent the purpose of your trip and try to hide your true intentions and your activities. That's not what I'm saying. I'm not asking you to commit immigration fraud, but you also want to be careful because what may seem like harmless promotion of a business could be used as evidence against you. Okay. Also, number four, you want to use the correct visa for your plans. And I mentioned this before. So if you're traveling to the US for business, but you plan to engage in some commercial activities like attending a conference, meeting clients, conducting negotiations, then you need to have the right visa, right? If you plan to sell products or services, then you need to have the right appropriate business visa for that. If you're unsure, it's always best to consult with an immigration attorney to talk about how you can get the appropriate visa. And lastly, you want to avoid immigration fraud. While it might seem tempting to use a tourist visa for business purposes, it's crucial to understand that this is considered fraud, immigration fraud. So, attempting to circumvent the system can result in some serious consequences for you, including permanent bans from entering the US and also deportation and denial of entry. So, you always want to use your visa in good faith for its intended purpose. So here's some advice that I will give to entrepreneurs and business owners. Consult an immigration attorney. If you're unsure about the terms of your visa or which visa is right for your situation, always seek legal advice, seek legal counsel. The last thing you want to find out is that you're actually violating your visa rules after it's too late. Again, you want to plan ahead. If you're planning to do business in the US, make sure that your visa allows it. If you're unsure, do your research and apply for the proper visa before you travel. and stay informed. Immigration laws, as we see, and visa policies, they're constantly changing. Literally, every day we're learning new things and things are constantly changing. So you want to stay up to date with the latest regulations and the latest policies regarding your visa type and regarding US immigration in general, especially if you are frequently traveling to the US for business. So, what is my final takeaway from this? Visas are not just your travel documents, these are actual legal permissions with boundaries that you need to respect. So, misusing a visa, whether it's intentionally or it's unintentionally, can lead to some serious consequences. Whether you're a small business owner or you're just traveling for work, it is essential for you to use your visa for the intended purpose and to be transparent with immigration authorities. If you're unsure about what the visa allows, don't hesitate to seek expert advice. Following the rules will ensure that your trips are smooth, that your business is protected, and that your future travel plans are not jeopardized. Okay, so let's stay smart, let's stay compliant with the laws, and make sure that you're always in the right when it comes to US immigration. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me and follow me for more immigration tips. Bye.